What's up, YouTubers? Today we're revisiting a campground we've been to before, KOA in Mount Vernon, and this episode is going to be a special Halloween edition. So we're going to get to see all the decorations and all the different costumes up here, and they're supposed to be having a lot of fun. There's going to be a costume contest, hay rides, a spooky trail. So I really think Skylar's gonna enjoy it. We're here entering KOA Holiday. It's gonna be scary. Skylar, you gonna look out the window? Cosmo in the mirror. Cosmo, you're so cute. Just don't fall out. Oh, that sign says Jason lives here. Keep out. Look. Oh my gosh. Right there. Jason lives here. What is that, ghost? We just got here and we came into the barn while Daddy's setting up the camper. We came into the barn and oh my gosh, look at these spiders, you guys!
I have to get a video of this.
Are you taking a video too? She's partially in her Wednesday outfit, but she wore it to school today. We took the boots off. We took the wig off. But you'll get to see her all dressed up in the full outfit tomorrow. Gosh, that spiders. Okay, so we're all set up now, and I did a little decorating. We've got some little ghosts hanging out by this tree. This here's a fun little decoration for the little ones. Trick or treat. Danger. And then I put a black tablecloth down and a pumpkin witch. Pretty cool. Oh, I still need to put some lights under the camper here. Oh, cool. Look at those decorations. It's picking up all the colors. Oh my gosh. We are on the trail that leads to the spooky woods. And I hear people screaming. I hear the chainsaw. Oh my gosh.
I told you.
Yeah, I think we should turn around. Oh my gosh, you guys. Jason and Freddy Krueger. And there is a head on the table. I'm freaking out. Are you freaking out, Skylar?
Yeah.
Yeah? You ready to get out of here?
Yeah.
Nighttime. Pillow, trampoline, jumping. Skylar is trying not to flash her in the eyes, but there she is. You having fun? Trampolining in the dark. Whoa. Trick-or-treating is going on. We've got the crew with us. We got some families. Gosh, this is so scary. What? Two-headed babies. Oh my goodness. Look how scary. Look how scary this is. Oh my gosh, Jason. Freddy Krueger, please don't enter my dreams. This is pretty cool. What do you think, Cosmo? What do you think? You like it? Skylar is in the costume contest. On the hayride. Did you have fun? We already got to pick our pumpkins out. Storage is full. We're at the pumpkin patch.
You better not be like, ah, in the video. Better not. Or we are going back. We're doing this all over. Bag. What? And he looks like a clown.